fellow traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic for you, stock screeners, and how we can use them to identify potential trades in our day trading adventures. This tool can help you identify potential opportunities fast and effectively. So let's dive right in. First, let's clarify what a stock screener is. It's a powerful tool that allows you to filter and sort stocks based on a specific criteria. This helps you narrow down your options to find stocks that meet your trading strategy. The first step is choosing the right stock screener. There are many options available, both free and paid. Some popular choices include TradingView, FinViz, Trade Ideas, and Benzinga Pro. Make sure to select one that aligns with your needs and preferences. Next, define your criteria. What makes a stock fast-moving to you? Common criteria include volume, price volatility, and percentage price change. For example, you might want stocks with a daily volume of at least 1 million shares and a price change of at least 3% or greater. Now, let's set up your stock screener. We'll demonstrate this process in TradingView, but the principles are similar in all platforms. You can do this in any platform, but we'll use TradingView for this example. First, create a new screen, choose your preferred criteria, and adjust the settings accordingly. Real-time scanning is crucial for day trading. Ensure that your stock screener provides real-time data updates so you can identify opportunities as they unfold. Set alerts or notifications for your selected criteria. Use historical data to see how your search criteria would have performed in the past. This helps you refine your approach and have more realistic expectations. Refining and optimizing your stock screener is an ongoing process. As you gain experience, you might tweak your criteria or add new filters. Stay adaptable and willing to adjust to changing market conditions. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to set up a stock screener to find fast-moving stocks real-time for your trades. Remember, a stock screener is a very effective tool, but it's only as powerful as the criteria that you have in your search. Make sure to test your strategy, stay disciplined, and continuously test your skill. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips and insights. Thanks for watching and happy trading.